Well, I replaced this bushing, which wasn't a bushing at all. Get those in there, and now the rack won't be wiggling and wobbling and popping. That's a good thing. It's not too bad to do when you got the engine out. I would assume that it's much more difficult with the engine in. Much more difficult. Probably have to, I don't know. I don't know how you go about it. But with the engine out, it's a breeze. The starter's tucked in its little spot. See, this has got four-wheel drive, so you can't just lift the starter up in there easily. So I'm going to put it, pre-position it in here, kind of get it set up so it'll be more, more receptive. Now I got to jack up the transmission and slide the engine in place. That, my friends, we will save for the next video, because it'll be more interesting and a lot more time consuming. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.